Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Haley and today I am unboxing the winter FabFitFun box. I am an annual member of FabFitFun. I've been getting boxes for a little over a year now. I haven't filmed them before, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to try it out, do a filming of this one as I unbox it. Sometimes I'm just too excited to film. I just want to jump in and see what's inside. But today I'm filming. And I'm gonna be honest, this box is smaller than usual, but it's really cute. It looks like a little house with snow falling, and it's heavy. So we'll see what all is in here. I did choose a lot of the items in my box as an annual member, but honestly, I couldn't tell you anything that's in here. It's been a while since I chose, so I'm looking forward to getting some surprises. It's kind of like early Christmas for me. So at the top of the box, you can see that they have sent the little magazine, and it's got some girls just kind of lounging around, and I think inside it's kind of got some products that may or may not be in this box. Who knows? It also has what looks to be some recipes. Yeah, so there's some recipes for some cookies and some cupcakes, so nice. All right, so the fun stuff. There's a box underneath the paper. What is in here? So the first thing is catching my eye. It's a large thing. It's from Short Stories. I remember this now. This is a battery operated food scale, and this is something I don't have. So I thought it would be something nice to have. So let's see, opening up all this packaging. And this is what the scale itself looks like. It's kind of like a rose gold kind of color. And let's see, if we remove it, does it work? Aha, yes, okay. So let me just put my scissors on it and see how much they weigh. 1 ounce. There we go. It works. That's kind of cool. This will be fun when weighing certain things, just to kind of do measurements and stuff. Especially like with meat and stuff, trying to know how much you're cooking and stuff. So that'll be really cool and really nice to have. So I'm excited about that. The next thing looks like a palette. It is the Ace Beauté Serenity eyeshadow palette. And if I can get into the box without breaking the box, that is the goal. All right, so here's what the actual palette looks like, and it's very warm toned colors. Lots of oranges, and some warm browns and pinks and kind of yellowy colors. So that is nice. Some shimmers, mostly matte, but there are 2 shimmery colors in there as well. So there's that. The next thing is the Aria reusable makeup swabs. I've gotten these before. Honestly, not a fave of mine, but we have more of them. They come in a little case like this, and opens up, and you've got your little swabs, and there's like a pointed one and like a rounded one. So honestly don't know where the other ones the ones I already have are, but those. All right, next we have something from Social Studies. Set of 3 nesting bowls. Sweet. I love anything home. Those are like my favorite things to get in my FabFitFun boxes. Home kitchen type items. Oh, these are cute. Okay. So they're like this kind of like mauve kind of color. And there are 3 different sizes. There's this one. And then this one. And then a little bitty one. These are cute. They're little glass bowls. Be nice for like serving or whatever. All right. Then we have the next thing is Marisa fabric shaver. I remember this now too. So there it is, and it has a little USB cord. Plug it in, and I guess, oh, aha, let's turn on. I tried it on the sweater. Hey, the sweater actually does have some pilling, so this is kind of perfect. Uh-oh. So I guess you don't go in circular motions. Okay. And I guess if you open it up, aha! Yes, it found some pilling on my sweater. It's snowing now. All right, that's kind of neat. It'll be nice for if you have any sweaters that pill. This will be a nice little thing to have. All right, the next thing is from Herbivore. It is the Aquarius Pore Purifying Clarity Cream. Big pot. There it is. Ooh. Wow, it has no smell whatsoever. That's awesome. Sometimes I just love an unscented. Like, I smell absolutely nothing. That's awesome. Okay. So, what does it do? Let's read about it. Meet Aquarius, a blue-hued lightweight cream moisturizer for combination and oily skin, which is not me at the moment. In the winter, my skin gets super dry, but when it gets a little warmer outside, this will be good. Because I do have large pores. But it says, formulated with blue tansy oil to improve skin clarity and help balance moisture levels, leaving skin with a soft matte finish. Massage into skin after cleansing and applying serum. Use AM and PM. If cream gets into eyes, rinse thoroughly with water. Cool. So, yeah, this is a nice, really, really good size product. So, I am happy with this. I really like the packaging too. It's nice. Nice heavy container. All right, and then there's one more thing. This is the Quick Slick. I think it's a hair thing. Yes, okay. Fancy, a quickie. To be clear, this type of quickie finishes your look and instantly slicks and smooths stubborn flyaways and frizz with one quick swipe. No strand is left astray. Dude, I needed this the other day. My hair has been like going everywhere recently. So, this will be nice. I remembered that I got this because I was thinking the other day when my hair was going all over the place. I was like, I think I ordered something for flyaways in my FabFitFun box. So, can't wait for that to get here. So this looks like, it's like a mascara for your hair. I I don't know. I can't really see in this camera, but if that helped my flyaways at all. We'll see later. But anyway, there is this, looks like a nice little good sized product. Kind of smells like something familiar. No, it doesn't. Actually, it smells pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of chemical-y, but it also kind of smells good. So there we go. There is everything in my FabFitFun box. So we had the flyaway tamer, the pore moisturizer, fabric shaver, the little reusable Q-tip thingies, eyeshadow palette, nesting bowls, and the food scale. So some really cool items in this box. Not my least favorite, probably not my favorite either, but some really great things. So I will put my FabFitFun link in the description box below. So if you want to try it out, I think you can get $10 off if you use my referral link. I'm not a sponsor or anything, but I think everybody who has FabFitFun has that same type of referral thing. So if you want to use my code, that'd be awesome. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season, had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.